Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I already did my face makeup. I left some setting powder up underneath my eyes just so I can protect my face makeup from any fallout from my eyeshadows. And so now I'm applying some tape to the ends of my eyes just so I can get a clean, sharp line once I apply my shadows. Now I'm going in with Urban Decay Priming Potion just to set my eyelids and use that as the base for my eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm going in with Sephora Pro palette and I'm going to use the first shade Terracotta, and I'm going to place that right into my crease and drag that all the way across and all the way to the end to make sure that my eyeshadow is well blended and that eyeshadow go all the way to the edge where the tape begins, and then so that I can have that crease effect and that sharp pretty line. So as you see at this point, I'm dragging that eyeshadow all the way to the end of that tape just so that that line can be more defined. Okay, so now I'm going back into Sephora Pro palette with the shade Cocoa, and I'm going to place that on the inner and outer part of my lid just so that I can get that chocolate color for my halo effect. And at this point you can see that I'm starting to blend it into my crease up underneath the terracotta shade just so that all the colors can blend seamlessly together. As I'm doing this, I'm trying to be careful enough not to place any of this color in the center point of my eyelid just so that I can have that halo effect. So now I'm going in with the shade Brass, and I'm going to place that in the center part of my eyelid, and that's going to be the part where you can see the colors transition into the halo effect of this eyeshadow look. The shadows in this palette is very pigmented. You don't need to wet any of your brushes when applying this eyeshadow. It applies beautifully and everything blends together perfectly. So now I'm going back in with my blending brush, and I'm just going to blend the excess product over the crease area just to make sure there's no harsh lines when all the colors are transitioning together. So now I'm going in with the highlight shade Orchard, and I'm just place that up underneath my brow bone just to show more definition in the highlight points of my face. So now I'm going back in the shade Terracotta, and I'm just blending some of that terracotta shade up underneath my eyelid, and I will also be blending the shade Cocoa just so that everything can show more dimension in my eyeshadow look. Alright, so now I'm removing the tape from my face, and you can see the sharp line that I have on the edges of my eyes. So at this point I've already applied false lashes. I used the Vegas Nay Grand Glamour lashes, and I lined the bottom and top of my eyelashes. And so now I'm brushing away any of the setting powder that I had on my face. So now I'm about to go in with the Ion Cosmetics blush, and this is in Godness. I love this blush. It's very pigmented. I really don't see this blush around a lot, so yeah. So now I'm going in with NYX Cosmetics lip liner in Mahogany just to line my lips. Okay, so now I'm going in with a chocolate shade from Black Radiance just to use as my lipstick for today. And yeah, you guys, this basically completes this video. I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm planning on getting more lighting set up for you guys so that I can have better quality while filming these videos for you guys. And yeah, so like always, guys, I love you and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like this look that I created. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.